And the Army National Guard came to bring me a ticket in person because they saw me driving. See? They got my car blocked in and everything. You see that? I'm just kidding. They're just helping these people get their car out. That's all they're doing. They're not they're just helping out. But they do have me blocked in though. How am I gonna get that thing out of the way? Right? That's what we needed in the street before the storm. Before the storm, these vehicles. That's what we needed in the street. But they're here now trying to help. I guess that's some help. I appreciate them. It's not their fault. It's the government's fault for not activating them. They're ready for them.